In this video, I want to show users how to download files to their own computer or to a USB drive. So what I have displayed here is a course that is actually a support course for faculty at TRU. And the gradebook overview is an example of a PDF format file. It has a very tiny Adobe icon that helps me as a user know that I'm dealing with a PDF file, and that will be consistent, although it may not be exactly the same in Moodle systems depending upon what theme is chosen for display. In all the themes that I use, this particular Adobe icon is consistent though. So this is a PDF file, and if I click to open it, because my browser has a little sort of mini program that knows how to open up PDF files directly, it opens up directly. If your computer doesn't have that kind of a program, it may present you with a dialog box that allows you to save the file or choose a program to open it with. In any case, if it brings up the option to save a file, you'll simply have avoided this step. So what I'm going to do in this particular case, because I have several buttons across the top of the screen, one that allows me the possibility of printing, one that allows me to download, I'm going to click the download button. And this may actually be similar to the first pop-up that you're presented with when you first choose a link for a PDF file. It gives you the possibility of saving the file. So when you click OK, then the system begins to download it. Now it downloads it to a particular area within my system that I have set my preferences on my system for. I'm just going to show you where that is. In my downloads folder, I now have the file that I requested for download. If the system doesn't automatically record to a location but gives you an opportunity of choosing, then you may have one fewer step. If you want that file to go to, say, a USB port drive, then you may not have to do this step. But if the file is not where you want it to be, then you can simply drag it into the location where you want it. And in this case, I'm going to be copying it here. I could have held the Option key down, or there's some right-click options and that sort of thing that allow you to move the file to a different location. In this case, I don't want to keep it on my system, so I'm going to just actually, I accidentally chose the wrong option, so let's see if I can escape from that. Let's try move to trash. So I'll have done with it in that location, but over in the Gemini location where I have several other files, I now have a PDF file that I moved from a Moodle location to my own system. So that's how you move, not move files, but that's how you copy files from Moodle systems onto your own computer so that you can look at the file when you're not on Moodle. Maybe you don't have access to Moodle or the internet, and you can still view the files. There are other videos that demonstrate how to take such files and print them out so that if you don't have access to a computer at all, you can still read print materials, but that, as I say, is demonstrated in another video.